What is up, guys? It's Josh here, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial and what websites you need to make a video like the one I'm about to show you for your products, for your dropshipping store, or for whatever else you need. There you have it. So obviously it's not the most professional video you've ever seen. Obviously it's not going to win you some video creating award, but in the end that type of video will gain you more traction when you're running ads or whatever for any online store that you have. Whether it's a course you're trying to sell, whether it's a actual product, whether it's dropshipping, even though I don't recommend dropshipping, so forth. A video like that will enhance your opportunity to make more money. Most of us don't have the opportunity or the skill set or the equipment to film professional level videos. So how do you do it without any of that? You use other people's pictures, other people's videos. So these are 3 websites that I'm going to go over today. And then you're probably going to want to either save this video so you can go back and look at them, or just write down the websites while I talk about them. The first one would be pixabay.com. It's where I go to get all my free images and videos, and you can even get music and stuff. So as you can see, this is the home page, but you can just search for anything. So for example, you got images right here, you got videos, music, sound effects, so forth. So you could just type in outdoors. Oops, not with the slash. There you go. And then you get a bunch of pictures of outdoors. If you want videos, then you just type in, and when you don't type in, you press videos. These ones on top are different websites partnered. It's where you'd actually have to pay, so you'd want to do these ones. So then you could make an advertisement off of any of this. So for example, let's say that you are trying to open a store about yoga. Here you go. Here's a video of someone doing yoga on top of a mountain. Awesome. Perfect. So this website you can use to get images and pictures and music. So anything that you're trying to open, you'll be able to find royalty-free stock video footage from here. Moving on to the second website, which would be canva.com. This one is very important. There's lots of things you can do here. You can create a design, obviously, and then you can choose what you want. So if you're going for a video, you'd click video, and then boom. Now Canva gives you a lot of templates that you can use. So obviously you got all these. Let's say that you're trying to sell a fat burning product. You just grab this video right here, and you can just change the text and change it to what you need it to be. Or you could upload videos from the other website I just showed you, Pixabay. So just to show you how easy this is, all you do is that, get rid of it, change it to 15-minute fat burger. Boom. Change the color to blue. Make it bold. Make it 18 so it's nice and small, and so forth. You see how fast it is to change this type of stuff? You can even upload your own things right here. So for example, I could upload my thumbnail pictures that I got right here. I could get rid of my background so I look even better. Boom. So now I'm a part of my advertisement video. And then you just go over to download, and before, boom, you now have a advertisement. Canva is a great way to make whatever you want. You can also, there's no end of what you can make on Canva. You got thumbnails, you got Facebook posts. Look at all this. Oops. Look at everything you can make here. Videos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram, YouTube channel art, logos, presentations, so forth. It never ends. So Canva is a great one to make videos for your advertisements on Facebook or wherever you're advertising. The last and final one is Animato, which you do have to pay. I think it's $12 a month for. And this one you have more specific for like advertising. So you got your templates on the left side here. So you got like an about us if you're trying to tell people about your company. So that's pretty cool. You got, behind the scenes, tell you what's going on, holiday, motivational, service promotion, product promotion, slideshow, teaser, so forth. So let's say you're trying to tease your podcast. Here we go.
I tell this to all my
I need to
patients,
just choose
but
this as a template. Whoops. I clicked on something weird there. There we go. Alright, back to that. Or let's say you want to tease your blog, or you want to tease your content. Then you just click choose template. And again, you can upload stuff from like Pixabay or whatever, but you can also just use what they have and change it. So instead of Julie Duff, it'll be Julie Puff. Boom. Then you can always add different music, which they have a whole bunch. So there you go. See? And then you just click export, download, and so forth. So now you see how easy it is to come up with content / ads, video ads to be specific for your Facebook advertisements, Instagram advertisements, or whatever. Because I think we can all agree that a video ad will always have a better return on investment than just using pictures. So use these 3 websites, make it so it can get you some money online, whether you're advertising for your product, whether you're advertising for a service, whether you're advertising for just being a good looking person. You'll be able to find a way to use these videos, these stock free images / videos to make money online. Catch you in the next one.